What is up, YouTube? And in this video we're going to check out one of the few affordable drum kits for beginners. Let's get started. The drum kit in question is the Alesis Nitro kit, sold at Target. This is what it comes with if you buy this bundle. It is pretty affordable for what drum kits go for, so let's see how is it worth your money. Okay, let's check out the kit. This is a 5-piece set. So you have the module right there, and you have your snare drum, 3 tongs, and then you have your ride cymbal, your crash cymbal, the hi-hat, then its respective pedal, and then the kick drum and its pedal. Most of all the drum kits use the same padding, so in this regard it's pretty much the same. Let's see how it feels though when we play on it. Okay, so as you saw me playing on it, let's go ahead and get to the padding. Like I said, most drum kits use the same one. It's this mesh padding here. It's just a color change. I will say that this drum kit does not have really much in terms of intricacies of a drum set. So for example, the snare, the rim shot usually doesn't work, or it doesn't have a preset for it. The cymbals can be improved. This is probably where they cheaped out the most in terms of the physical kit. But yeah, this is the mesh padding. It's not too bad for the price. One thing where price really does show is the stability of this kit. As you see, it is pretty flimsy. When I was playing on it, it was moving a lot and I had to readjust the snare a few times. So this is where the money starts to show. My final thoughts on this kit is that it's pretty well rounded. The physical part is similar to some of the high-end kits. This mesh pads, the kick drum, maybe the cymbals could be a little bit more high quality, but other than that, it's pretty good. The modules where everything really falls short. The presets are meh. You don't get some of the intricacies like the rim shot or some of the hi-hat tricks you could do. But that's expected on a beginner kit. This is mainly meant for people who just want to get into drumming, start drumming. So it's definitely worth it in that category. At 500 bucks, I'd say it's worth it. And it is sold at Target, so you can get this pretty easily. And that's pretty much it. I'm gonna go ahead and play some of the kits on the module, so take a listen, see what you think, and see if it's worth it. Thank you so much for watching the video. I hope you liked it. Please subscribe as it really helps me out. And I will catch you on the next one. Peace.